Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a Walmart Valentine's shop with me. I'm going to show you pretty much all the stuff that Walmart has for Valentine's Day. And they have some pretty awesome items. And as you can see, they have huge jumbo cards for $3. And they have some oven mitts and dish towels. I actually bought the donut dish towel right there. And they have some cute stuffed animals. Some play music and move around. And they have some really cute ones over here. As you can see, they have tons of stuffed animals. And I actually got Lillia, one of the light pink one, the little bear with the 2019 on it. That was $9 and some change. And I get her little bear with the year on the foot every Valentine's. And more cute little stuffed animals. The I Wolf You little dog. That's cute. And there's the bears again. And here's some items. I believe it's for teachers. And plastic cups. Paper plates. Really cute. And sprinkles, stuff for baking, cookie cutters, tons of sprinkles, flowers, and those LED hearts. They actually have those at Dollar Tree for $1. And party stuff. And they have tons of cute little toys right here. And I actually got some of these for Lillia. And I'm also going to be doing a video of the Walmart Valentine's haul. That's going to be, I'll link it down below. And it'll be on this channel too. And PJ Masks and other little card holders. More stuffed animals. More card holders. And stuffed animals with chocolate. And these cute little dogs. And bears. And here's the card section. I did pick the perfect card for Lillia. I'll show y'all that in my video that's going to be posted down below. Tons and tons of cute cards. I got Lillia that otter one right there. And Owlette. Lily is obsessed with PJ Masks. And here's some cute other ones. Lots of decorations, cute teddy bears. Cute signs. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to check out my Walmart Valentine's haul. It shows all the Valentine's items that I bought. And I'll link it down below. Or if you can't find it there, it'll be on my channel.